Here we are at High Bridge. Water is supposed to be high today, so we're going to get a picture of the water. It's a half a mile long, the bridge is. And we just started, and I can see the water down. I can see water down already. It's amazing how many people are out here today.
Especially with River Road closed.
Yeah, because River Road is closed. They have to go all the way around. They've had to bike all the way from Farmville, which is about 5 miles, or from Rice. Oh, it's a Boy Scout troop. It's 3 miles from Rice. There's my sweetie. She caught up to me. Well, what do you think, sweetie? Is it fun?
Yeah.
We should hear the water pretty soon.
Now we're almost to the river, but there's water everywhere.
Hey, how are you?
Doing well, how are you?
Doing good.
Hey, let's stop and check this out.
Doing a video.
Oh, that's cool. Over down there.
Normally these cross pieces right there are good 10-15 feet above the water. It's pretty amazing to see them sitting right on top of the water.